and we end up protecting this trailer. Basically, we give him a Clipper alarm with the Viper module, so he can receive the text alert, and he'll have GPS in the event that somebody, steals the whole trailer. You can track it. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. The alarm will fire off. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off by hitting unlock on the remote control. Basically, he should be getting a text message in a few seconds, but what the installation looks like. We mounted the sirens on top, and the alarm and everything is inside this battery here, which he's got shelf. He's gonna hide everything. The alarm is inside that box, and then we hooked up a solar panel on top of the roof of the trailer. That way it keeps the battery nice and charged. There's not much to talk about, this thing. It's just that we protected both doors. So any door that is open, it will trigger the alarm system. And basically the text message comes in. It lets you know that the alarm was triggered, and then of course it has the app. And then from the app you can arm and disarm the unit, and it has GPS and everything. This alarm system hooked up on this trailer was installed by Auto Alarm Specialist at number 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. We come out and do the installation at your premises. Thank you for watching this video.